Hindu religions are colorful Holi. It is, means relationship. Another we are friendshipness. We are forget our illness, our sadness. We are expect in future. I will hope is colorful will be everybody's life. And I are feeling very happy this moment.
We used together playing games. This name is Holi Festival, and this is very important for our society and our religions. Our every kinds of people play this Holi festival, and this is very excited for our environment, and this environment is very good for our nation and our religions. Therefore, we every year this festival makes a good relation is together, and there are other religions and our religions. Everybody plays this holy festival, and this is color is very bright, and our future bright. This our wishes.
ফলো করুন টাইমস নাও খবর।